What is up, guys? Crustless Crypto here, back in a video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I'll be doing $100 in e-gold giveaway once we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So please continue to support the channel. It's greatly appreciated. I do have a website, crustlesscrypto.com. Please follow me on Twitter and Patreon as well, if you guys so desire to. So let's get into this video. Today we're gonna be talking about Fantom. I want to, kind of give my first impressions of it, take a little look through their website and give kind of my feedback, my opinions on it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Be sure to make your own calculated risks at your decision. Don't think that anybody can help you make money. And if you lose it, don't blame anybody who doesn't claim to be a financial advisor. With that said, let's get into it here. Fantom's actually up by 15% as we speak, $2.28. So a lot of people cover Fantom. If you guys know who Crypto with James is, he's a British YouTuber. He's got about 5,000-6,000 subscribers. He is very bullish on Fantom. I mean, Fantom has already 100, 200x, guys. When you look at the beginning of the year, we just look at this simple chart here. January of 2021, it was sitting at just 2.5 cents. 2.5 cents, guys. Super low market cap, and it shot all the way up starting in September to $1.66, and again climbing. Now it's at went to $2.30, and now it's sitting around that price. Imagine buying at 2.5 cents and then flipping it to $2.30. That is insane growth. And the market cap right now is sitting, I think, around the same level as e-gold, $5.8 billion. It is ranked 35 on 259,000 watch lists. This coin has a lot of potential to grow, and it's already grown by a lot. Now, if we take a look at the circulating supply, it has 2.55 billion Fantom coins, verified data through coin market cap. The max supply is 3.1 billion Fantom tokens. So with that said, that's kind of the, looking at the price specifically, trading volume has increased exponentially, and it is doing very nicely. I mean, that chart looks really good. So looking at their website, this is it right here, Fantom. Performance matters. So they say that Fantom is a fast, high throughput, open source, smart contract platform for digital assets and dApps. So guys, smart contracts pretty much run the crypto space, whether it's staking it to a provider, whether it's running different dApps, interacting with the blockchain. Smart contracts enable that. It's kind of like a vehicle to do so, right? It allows that functionality between the user and the blockchain, especially when it comes to their money. Now, this is kind of what they're looking at here. So why Fantom? They claim that the speed, security, and scalability. Now, Fantom's ABFT consensus protocol delivers unparalleled speed, security, and reliability. Enjoy almost instant transactions and extremely low fees. So super fast transactions and low fees, guys. That is very enticing, and that is probably the most basic fundamental things you want in a cryptocurrency and a blockchain is fast transactions, getting money from one person to another in a fast amount of time, and doing so with pennies and even less than pennies on the dollar to do so, right? So again, almost instant transfers, simply secure. Fantom's validator nodes form a global, trustless, and leaderless proof-of-stake network. So just like Elrond, highly scalable. Fantom can process thousands of transactions per second and scale to thousands of nodes, and it's compatible with Ethereum. So the Ethereum virtual machine is something that a lot of people are interacting with. Obviously, Ethereum's been around longer than some of these other coins. Now, I know with the fact with Elrond, I'm going to keep comparing Elrond to this coin because they kind of have some similarities. As of this time, I don't think the Elrond virtual machine, its part is fully compatible with Ethereum's. And with Fantom, they're claiming that it is compatible. You can deploy and run your Ethereum dApps on Fantom. So that is huge. And I know Elrond's working on that. I will be covering a video, basically everything about Elrond, how it works in another video. But specifically looking at here, Elrond doesn't have it at this time, but they are working on that in the future and will providing updates. So that's good. They understand the importance of being compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. So Fantom Finance is a new DeFi experience, the all-in-one DeFi suite. You can mint, trade, lend, and borrow digital assets directly from your wallet, near zero fees and instant transactions. So DeFi for everyone. This is their wallet. We're going to be taking a look at just their kind of basic platform. You can do liquid staking, which is use your stake FTM as collateral for DeFi. Your delegations are liquid within the Fantom ecosystem. FLend, you can lend and borrow digital assets to trade and to earn interest without losing exposure to your Fantom. FMint, you can mint dozens of synthetic assets, including cryptocurrencies, national currencies, and commodities. FTrade, trade Fantom-based digital assets without leaving your wallet, fully non-custodial and decentralized AMM exchange. So from what I'm seeing here, they already have these features activated. Now, it is also developer friendly. You can build on the Fantom, start building on Fantom using Solidity and the tools you're already familiar with, Remix, Truffle, and MetaMask. Fantom supports the Ethereum virtual machine, and you can deploy your dApps just like on Ethereum and access the documentation, connect with our developer community. So they already have this stuff in place. This is super huge, super huge. I'm already kind of seeing the potential and the technology, right? Proof of stake is a very powerful thing if implemented effectively. I'm not going to repeat some of the things that it's stating here, but it has Oracle's integrations. We integrate industry leaders, Oracle providers, Chainlink, and Band protocol for your maximum flexibility to access price feeds. Open source, it's completely open source. Anyone can read it, check on the progress, comment in it, and help us build the ecosystem. And it also possesses robust APIs, user graphs, subgraphs, and Fantom's robust Web3.js APIs to build wallets, explorers, or data analysis tools. You can also stake on the Fantom network. Just like Elrond, you can earn rewards by staking your Fantom to help secure the network. You can choose your staking preference, start earning with a few clicks, and use your stake funds collateral on the DeFi. So I don't know exactly. You can earn up to 13% APY. Just answer my own question. You can stake as you go, earns around 4%, but you can go up to 13% for a 1-year commitment. So that is where it does not beat Elrond with its staking capacity. With Elrond, you're able to stake and just have a 10-day unstaking period and getting around a 12% based on your staking provider. Here, you will earn 13% if you commit to 1 year of staking. So that is kind of a long time. But I mean, it could be a good thing where you can't just pull out when the price drops. It shows kind of like you're in it for the long haul, right? And I can see why it gives you that 13% APY. Stake as you go, you can come in and out, and you can still earn 4%. So a third of that. You can choose your rewards. Again, you can choose how long to lock it for, from no lock to up to a year lock. So based on how long you want to stake it, lock it for. Unlock liquidity on Fantom. Your dedicated Fantom gives you SF Fantom, a synthetic asset you can use within the Fantom DeFi ecosystem. Wow, so when you delegate your Fantom, it actually gives you, I think, kind of how Thor is to VeChain, where you can use this within the ecosystem, the Fantom DeFi ecosystem. You can compound your stake, you can claim rewards every 3 hours and compound them for even greater returns on your delegation. So just like Elrond, you can also, compound, right? You can stake, claim, and then stake it at the same time. So very nice. Again, this is my complete virgin experience, guys. I have not looked in this crypto. I've heard a lot about it, but I never took a look at it. And I can see why it has gone up in value so much over this year. So looking more in partnerships, right? Integrations. They do have a lot. Now you're in good company. Let's change the world together. Again, we talked about Oracle Network, how it's compatible with the Chainlink. It works together with Chainlink to build secure and scalable DeFi products like decentralized stablecoins, lending protocols, and synthetic assets. All developers building on Fantom can access Chainlink's Oracle infrastructure, and the integration enables the whole Fantom ecosystem to combine tamper-proof real-time data for on-chain and off-chain assets from trusted sources. Band protocol, again, by integrating the Band protocol, all developers benefit from trustworthy on-chain and off-chain data, and Band oracles are live on the Opera mainnet, providing critical data feeds for stablecoin minting, lending, borrowing, and trading of synthetic assets on the Fantom Finance network. So Looking also at the graph, you got the global GraphQL API. Is the graph enables queuing of data across several blockchains, which Fantom developers can now access and build with, as well as cross-swap between Ethereum. As developers move from Web 2 to Web 3, we believe the decentralized internet must be as developer-friendly as possible. Blockchain interoperability has continued to be a pain point for developers, and as DeFi and NFT-driven apps increase, you must interact with multiple protocols and chains. The graph solves these bottlenecks because developers only need to learn to use subgraphs instead of understanding other chains' unique smart contract languages. So they don't actually have to get into the code and the contracts. They can just look at the subgraphs that it provides. So very nice integration with this as well. I've also talked about Web 3.0 in my last video. I'll put the card up here. Extremely important where the internet continues to evolve. Fantom is aware of that and they're wanting to be a part of that. So Covalent Rich Blockchain Data API, it brings a world-class API indexing solution to developers on the Fantom network. With Covalent's unified API, developers can access deep, granular, and historical Fantom blockchain data, including historical transactions per address, decoded log events, and much more. This data facilitates chain analysis and helps builders effortlessly repurpose their technology from Ethereum to the Fantom ecosystem. So they're making it extremely easy, guys, to integrate from Ethereum to Fantom. That's huge. They want to get some of Ethereum's market cap, and it's leaking. It is leaking. Anchor, infrastructure for Web 3.0 connectivity. Anchor's API solutions offer a quick and easy way for developers to connect to the Fantom blockchain. Anchor endpoint APIs offer developers an alternative to read-only nodes for connecting the Fantom network. They boast a 99.99% reliability rating and provides users a sleek dashboard with request history, response times, and detailed and valid request reports. By allocating node computing power on demand, Anchor Solutions responds to even the most demanding applications. Lastly, we have the API 3, the decentralized API for Web 3.0. It is building decentrally governed and quantifiably secure data feeds that power Web 3.0 applications without employing third-party intermediaries. API 3 DApis are fully decentralized and blockchain-native APIs with quantifiable security, and Fantom will integrate API 3's decentralized APIs and Airnode-enabled APIs, giving developers access to all the data that the API 3 provides through these solutions. So that is a mouthful, guys, but it's important for me to cover each and every one of these partnerships because it's huge. So that's awesome. Fantom is getting its roots grounded with various different ecosystems and technologies out there. So that's awesome. Now, taking a look at the wallet. I don't have a wallet. I will create one, and I actually will buy some Fantom because I'm interested. And this is very, I think there's a lot more room to grow with it. Now, if you take a look here at the kind of its platform you can create, you can connect or you can restore a wallet. Maybe I'll do a video in the future of how to make one. I'm sure many other YouTubers have already made it. So I'll be making one, but this is where you can go to actually create your own wallet. You just go up here to their main page and you just say get started. It'll take you straight to the wallet page. So, or you can click down here as well. Looking in their news, they do provide their own blog space. You can look at, some of their latest and greatest updates, Q&As. They have, Nansen supports, anything that happens in terms of partnerships, integrations, you'll be able to view it on here. Very nice, very up to date. I mean, some things have been October 13th. Elrond very gives you more updates. And I'm sure they do have a Twitter as well that you can check out. I will be looking into this. Very huge. Taking a look at the developers, we're building a highly scalable blockchain ecosystem. At Fantom, we're committing to providing technology that combines scalability, decentralization, and security. To turn this vision into reality, the Fantom Foundation is developing different parts of an open system and closely works with partners to support the adoption of Fantom technology. We are blockchain developers. The Fantom Foundation has experience with blockchain development across the whole technology stack, from developing a consensus algorithm from scratch to middleware and a full-featured software suite. We built it, and we are blockchain integrators. We made Fantom's consensus fully compatible with the Cosmos SDK and the Ethereum virtual machine to allow anyone to use it in a network that best fits their needs. Through the EVM, developers can utilize smart contracts on top of the Fantom, which is huge, and allows projects to port their existing Ethereum dApps over to Fantom easily. Additionally, Locusus is ABCI compatible and can be seamlessly integrated into other blockchains as a separate consensus module. So Again, guys, very nice. And as you can see here, this is their community. This is their team. Michael Kong is the CEO, and you have all these different individuals on the team. Very extensive, very in-depth. This is what I love. I love to see this transparency, and they are a credible, legit blockchain. I mean, you have everybody here. So that to me shows legitimacy in my honest opinion. Anybody can create a website with fancy graphics and some pictures, but it takes a lot for them to unveil who is actually behind the scenes working on this project. So this is where we're at. Now, with all that said, guys, this is a highly undervalued coin in my opinion, just looking at the technology. And I've already seen a couple other people's videos on this as well. It's $5.7 billion market cap. Thinking about that, in terms of a price prediction, if it was to hit Dogecoin, which I believe is sitting at 30 billion, that is still a 6 times gain. So it could hit maybe $12 and even in the future $20. It just depends on the success of the project, how it does its technology. Now, I did talk about lending. I do not know if it is live that you can actually start doing these things on the DeFi network. I don't have a wallet, but if anybody's already using it or has any answers on that, please let me know in the comment section down below. It is greatly appreciated. Now, with all that said, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Again, we're almost there to 1,000 subscribers. Please let me know what you guys think of this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great weekend still yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.